This video will walk you through changing the oil on your WEN generator. Dirty or old oil is a common cause of engine problems. Performing regular oil maintenance helps your engine stay in tip-top shape and make sure it's ready to go when needed. It's easiest to change the oil when the generator's engine is warm. Before beginning, make sure the engine switch and fuel valve are turned off. Disconnect the spark plug boot. If your generator has a battery, disconnect it. Be careful when working around gasoline and keep sparks and flames away. Make sure to have your owner's manual on hand, as it has specific step-by-step instructions for your particular model. Watch this video fully before beginning work. You'll need an oil pan, a clean shop towel or rag, new oil, and a funnel. You also might want to put down some cardboard or other floor covering to catch any spills. Step 1. Depending on the generator model, you may need to remove a side panel or an access panel in order to access the oil drainage system. Depending on the model, this may be the oil fill neck, a tube with a drainage valve, or a bolt. Check your manual for details. Step 2. Position the oil pan to catch the oil as it drains. If your generator has a tube with a drainage valve, twist the valve cap off and let the oil drain into the pan. If your generator has a bolt, loosen it with a wrench or socket, remove the bolt, and let the oil drain into the pan. Step 3. If your generator has a tube with a drainage valve or a bolt, once the oil is done draining, close the valve or replace the bolt. Step 4. Use the funnel to add new engine oil through the oil fill neck. Check your owner's manual for the type and the amount of oil to use. Once you're done, replace the dipstick and reinstall any side panels or access panels. That's it. If you have any questions about changing your generator's oil, consult your owner's manual for more information or contact our friendly customer service team. Thanks for watching.
Remember WEN.